so much better. Hello, kitties.
That voice.
What's cracking, mate?
That voice.
My voice?
Yeah.
What's up with my voice? What are we doing today?
A car.
What?
A car.
A car?
Yeah.
No, well, we might be. Maybe later. We're gonna go look at a car. But what are we doing now? Who are we going to see?
It's Daddy.
The doggy, that's right. We're gonna see the doggy.
It's the name's Cash.
His name's Cash, that's right. Hey guys, what's cracking? Welcome back to the channel. So today, we're actually finalizing a deal that you guys haven't really known anything about, but a couple of weeks ago, probably about a month ago now, I actually drove to Canberra and I took the Discovery with the trailer, drove down there, and I picked up a Mazda, a 1972 Mazda RX3 Coupe. This thing was definitely a project to say the least, and I was intending to build it and maybe sell one of the RX-7s, but as it turned out, sort of just going through it, I think we decided it was too much of a project, so we decided to sell it. Anyway, we kind of did a bit of a weird deal on it where we got, we got a late model dual cab ute, and we got some cash, and we got a French Bulldog puppy. Now we haven't actually got the French Bulldog yet, but he's on his way to our shed now, so we're heading down there to meet him, and we're going to be meeting the dog. Excited? Yeah. Oh, be cute. It's not actually going to be a dog for us. It's going to be for Telarni's brother Brad. So Brad gets a dog, but I'm keen to see this little Peps.
It's gonna be so cute.
And also, we recently, like yesterday, I took the 33 down to Next Up and got John to have a look at the cold start on it, and it's $1 million. I used to have to wait, it was running a bit lean, but now it's way better. Even when it's cold, I can pretty much drive it, so I'm stoked. So this thing's like dead cold right now. Even when it was retuned, we didn't really do much with the cold start, but it would like buck and carry on. Anyway, John made some adjustments. This hasn't got a wideband at the moment, so it's kind of a bit of guesswork, but like it actually drives good, comes on boost how it should. I'm very happy. So we're just dailying it basically at the moment because who doesn't want to daily a 500 horsepower Skyline with 2 kids in baby seats?
We're just getting used to it. When we sell the Discovery, just have the 2 Skylines.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I wonder if we can put a tow ball on your 34.
Why does it have to go on mine? Yours will have an hour.
Auto, bro, so you can drive. This is way better. Let's see if you can hear the turbo. It sounds so good.
Wilder, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Is that Cash? Cash! Oh, little.
What's doing, bro? Are you annoyed?
Yes.
Probably a few reasons why you're annoyed. First one is because I've stolen your spot at Next Up. Sorry about that. Second of all, so we bought these mirrors for Lanza's car, but when we put these in, I can't do it with one hand. You can kind of see it there, but then that looks mid, but they actually sit about here. So they're off a sedan, and apparently coupe and sedan 34 parts, or mirrors, are different. So that's a bit of a pain in the boot, but we'll get it sorted, we'll find some mirrors. This car had gun doors on it when we sold it. Bet you regret that now. No? Yes?
No, because we got like $3,000 for them, which is ridiculous. But
like mirrors. You look good in any mirror, babe.
I don't
Savannah.
have any right now to look good in, so.
Yeah. Right now it's like you're a vampire. Hey, so I thought I might show you guys the Evo because you haven't seen this in any videos yet. But this is basically, it's a 2006 Evo 9. These are Australian delivered only. You can't actually import them yet. This car has 116,000 Ks on it. And you can see just how mint it is. Like the door jambs, there's no scuffs. Inside is in really good condition. Steering wheel's got a little bit of wear, which you'd expect for something that's been driven. But like, there's no holes in the carpet or anything like that. The Recaros are beautiful. Still got all that stuff. Watch out, Bubba. Oh. You can play with that zip tie. This thing's sick. It's a performance pack, so it's got the BBS wheels from factory and the Bilsteins. And this car, what makes it really special is it's actually like 100% stock standard. It hasn't got any performance mods. All it has is that little turbo timer there and the head unit. You guys cool? Yeah? Savvy's, oh, it's alright, you can come with cash. Savvy might come in and say hey. So yeah, this Evo's, it's sick. So, this is actually going in for a timing belt tomorrow because I don't know if it's been done and I want to make sure that it's sorted when it eventually goes to its new home because it's an expensive car. It's not a cheap car and I want the new owner to be really happy. We've got a few things on the go. Once the Skyline's done, we're taking care of that first. This is probably going to go in for its motor. And I want to get started more on the first Gen 7 getting painted. We'll just move that over because it was sitting here, so we've got a bit more space. This should be out of the shed soon. And we're also probably going to bring the grey S15 back down to the shed to start working on. I need to go home and get my tools so we can put maybe the rear coilovers in this. It's alright, it's alright. Wow, be gentle please.
Probably the wheels as well. I don't know how they're going to fit the car because...
Might do 2 trips. Alright. I'll be back. Okay, so we've put some matching front wheels on this thing so it's not as weird when pushing it around.
Well, it had like 117 and 118.
118. Yeah, it's a bit whack. What we're going to do now is actually, in the rear, we've got a couple of things to do in the back of this car. So, in the rear we've got spots for anchor points, but the parcel shelf hasn't got holes in it, so we're going to put some holes in the cardboard sort of parcel shelf so we can whack the anchor points in it. Put those in it, and then while that's actually out, we're going to put the rear coilovers that we have for this car in. So that'll pretty much be the suspension done for the time being until we found. Yeah, alright, I'll come fix it until we find a bunch of old bushings that are trash. Don't wake her up. Don't wake her up. We got some coilovers to put in, champ. Oh no. Alright, let's do this. Master of Cosmetics hard at work.
Can you even see in here?
It's pretty dark, but I can see. Yeah, look at it go. Alright, so those little yellow dots we've marked out so that we can, the anchor points are already in there, like the fittings for them, but we just need to...
Someone thought they were in the middle of the speaker for some reason.
Some do have them there, I don't understand it. One of my cars had it there before. And then we need to get into those strut tops to do the coilovers. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Do you know how to use a drill?
No.
Okay, that was actually G up. Just be careful. I was G'ing you up then. I thought you were going to say, of course I know how to use a drill.
How do I know which way to, like, what does this do?
Hang on, it's hammer reverses like drill mode. Just hit it, drill it. Which way is that going? Nah, flick it the switch the other way. No, that one, not that one. The one below. Yeah, near your finger. Wait, what's wrong with your finger?
I was trying to see if there was a screw on the door card and I cut it.
Oh, good lord. Alright, flick the bottom thing. Which way is that going? Yeah, it's better. Nice. That's it. And again, and keep drilling as you pull it back out. It helps it not get stuck. Might need jack stands.
Well, we should probably put them in anyway because we're going to have to be in the car.
Yeah, I know, but I just mean like wanting to grab some.
Oh god, that's really wobbly.
Yeah, she wobbly.
She wobbly.
I've got 2 more.
You have the crappy ones.
Where are they?
Probably hidden somewhere because they're ugly.
They're my dad's.
I don't care whose they are.
Hey?
I said I don't care whose they are. They ugly. Jack her up. Okay, let me just put this down.
Right, we'll leave that there. Can you get the camera?
I've got it right here.
Right, try to film under here. So, I haven't really had a good look around this thing, but I'm a little bit scared of what this is because Skyline's rust in the boot, and this car's had a bit of water in the boot, hey?
Yeah, that's sticky tape.
I'm just wondering, yeah, it shouldn't be covering anything, sure. Unless it's been painted.
Probably. Well, it has. We know that this car has been
nobody
painted.
cares. But that was, it was in the front, that was the front cross member was being swapped. Oh, the rad support, I'm pretty sure. There's no rust there. Weird. Alright, whatever. Cool. Let's get these wheels off. I think these can go in either way.
Well, we just have to line it up with
Yeah, I don't think there's a...
the other one. But I think you can spin them anywhere like we did.
Yeah, you just... Jeez. Piece of shit.
Dad, look happy. Look happy.
It's alright, Seb. I know. Very loud. Well, that's one coilover in. Pretty easily done. Just one bolt, or 3 bolts, I should say. 2 nuts and 1 big bolt. Now it's Lani's turn to do the other side.